Imagine earning money from home using just your phone or laptop. No degree, no office, no boss. Sounds impossible, but thousands of beginners start freelancing every single day. And today, I'm going to show you 5 easy freelancing jobs that anyone can start today, even if you have zero experience. Freelancing ka MATLAB simple high, apni skills online sell karna. Clients apko hire kart hain our AP gar baith paisa comet ho. Let's start with job number 1. The first freelancing job is content writing. Agar AP English ya Urdu lik sakti ho, to ye job apka liye perfect high. Companies ko blogs, website articles, product descriptions, our social media captions chahi hote hain. Our guest karo. Beginners ko bhi hire kiya jata hai. Start karne ke liye apko surf Google Docs our thodi practice chahi. AP Fiverr ya Upwork par, article writer, ya, blog writer, ka gig bana sakti ho. Simple articles lik kar high log $5 say $50 per article comma rahi hain. Second job high data entry. Ye freelancing ka sab say easy entry point high. Isamine apko typing or copy paste ka com milta high. Excel sheets fill karna. PDF ko word mine convert karna. Lists banana, ba eatna high. Kisi special skill ki zurat nahi hodi. Agar AP basic computer use kar sakti ho, to AP already eligible ho. Beginners is say $5 minus $15 per hour comma lead hain. Third job high social media management. Aj kal har business ko Instagram, Facebook, our TikTok manage karne ke liye log chahi hote hain. Post schedule karna, captions likna, comments ka reply dina, ye sab com clients outsource kart hain. Agar AP social media use kart ho, to AP already 70% ready ho. Beginners is field mine $100 minus $300 per month per client comma sakti hain. Fourth job high Canva graphic design. Agar AP designer nahi bhi ho, koi problem nahi. Canva ek free tool high jahan ready templates milt hain. AP YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, flyers, our logos bana sakti ho. Businesses ko simple graphics chahi hote hain, our woas ke liye pay cart hain. Canva designers Fiverr par $5 say $20 per design comma rahi hain. Fifth job high video captioning and subtitles. YouTube or TikTok creators ko subtitles chahi hote hain kian ke captions videos ko viral banate hain. AP CapCut ya free subtitle tools use kark ye kam kar sakti ho. Isamine editing skill bi ziada nahi chahi. Beginners is say $10 $30 per video comma rahi hain. A flat sab say important question, start case karain. Step 1. Fiverr ya Upwork par account banao. Step 2. X skill choose karo, surf ek. Step 3. Apna first gig publish karo or daily apply karo. Remember, first client milna toda slow hoda hey, lekan jab mil j, freelancing life change kar dedi high. So agar AP online earning start karna chat ho, in 5 freelancing jobs mine say koi be choose karo or aj high start karo. Agar AP freelancing or online earning seekna chat ho, channel ko subscribe zaror karain, kian ke yahan apko daily earning ideas milt rate hain. PC money bag.